Hello everyone, welcome back at Slovak Girl channel. In today's video we'll learn 50 phrases you must know when you are learning Slovak. Let me know in the comments which of these phrases was the hardest one for you to learn. Now let's start with this video. First phrase. Ahoj. Ahoj. This greeting phrase is very common in Slovak and you can use it to say hi, but people use it also when they want to say bye. It is mostly used when you are talking in informal conversation with a friend or your family. Second phrase. Áno. Áno. And it simply means yes. Third phrase. Nie. Nie. And in English it means no. Then we have dobre. Dobre. In Slovak we use it very frequently and you will hear it a lot. Dobre in English we can translate as alright, okay, or well. Fifth phrase. Dobrý deň. Dobrý deň. This is again a greeting phrase you will hear often in Slovak, and Slovak people use it during all day. You can use this phrase in both formal and informal communication, and Slovak people consider it as very polite to use when you come somewhere, like to the small shop, bank or restaurant. Sixth phrase. Dovidenia. Dovidenia. And in English it means goodbye. This phrase is mostly used in formal communication. Number 7. Ako sa máš? Ako sa máš? In translation, how are you? To say my name is, you will use phrase volám sa. Volám sa. In my case, I would say volám sa Tami. Ako sa voláš? Ako sa voláš? In English, what is your name? Number 10. Ja som. Ja som. In English, I am. 11th phrase we have is please. In Slovak, prosím. Prosím. Then number 12 we have thank you. In Slovak, ďakujem. Ďakujem. To say excuse me, you will in Slovak use phrase prepáčte. Prepáčte. 14. I am sorry. In Slovak je mi to ľúto. Je mi to ľúto. Number 15. Of course. In Slovak samozrejme. Samozrejme. Phrase 16 is question why. Prečo? Prečo? Phrase 17 is also a question really. In Slovak naozaj? Naozaj? For sure. Určite. Určite. 19th phrase we have today is you are welcome. In Slovak you will say Rado sa stalo. Rado sa stalo. Number 20 is nice to meet you. Teší ma. Teší ma. See you soon. Do skorého videnia. Do skorého videnia. Number 22 is also for saying goodbye. When you want to say see you later, you will use phrase Vidíme sa neskôr. Vidíme sa neskôr. 23. Nerozumiem. Nerozumiem. In English it simply means I don't understand. 24. No problem. In Slovak Žiaden problém. Žiaden problém. Phrase 25 is a question. What time is it? Koľko je hodín? Koľko je hodín? Where is the restroom? Kde je toaleta? Kde je toaleta? Phrase 27 is another question. This one is can I use? In Slovak môžem použiť? Môžem použiť? Next we have I'm fine and you? Mám sa dobre. A ty? Mám sa dobre. A ty? 29. What happened? In Slovak. Čo sa stalo? Čo sa stalo? How much is it? Koľko to stojí? Koľko to stojí? When you want to ask where are you from, you will in Slovak say Odkiaľ si? Odkiaľ si? And to answer and say I am from, you will use Ja som z. Ja som z. Next question. Koľko máš rokov? Koľko máš rokov? In English it means how old are you? And to answer that question you can say Ja mám rokov. Ja mám rokov. I am years old. Sorry, I don't speak Slovak. Prepáčte, nehovorím po slovensky. Prepáčte, nehovorím po slovensky. I agree with you. In Slovak súhlasím s tebou. Súhlasím s tebou. When you want to say I completely disagree, you will use phrase Úplne nesúhlasím. Úplne nesúhlasím. 38. What's new? Čo je nové? Čo je nové? Je to moja chyba. Je to moja chyba. In English it means it's my fault. To nie je moja chyba. To nie je moja chyba. It's not my fault. Next we have don't worry about it. In Slovak netráp sa tým. Netráp sa tým. To say maybe in a shop or on the phone, one moment please, you can use Chvíľku, prosím. Chvíľku, prosím. 44. Congratulations. In Slovak you can say Gratulujem. Gratulujem. Next few phrases will be about your conditions, and first I will say the phrase for men to use and after for women, because the ending changes depending on who is speaking. Okay, number 45. I am hungry. Som hladný. Som hladný. And if a woman is speaking, she will use som hladná. Som hladná. I am thirsty. Som smedný. Som smedný. Som smedná. Som smedná. Then we have I am tired. Som unavený. Som unavený. Som unavená. Som unavená. I am ill. Som chorý. Som chorý. The woman would say som chorá. Som chorá. And to say I am happy you will use som šťastný. Som šťastný. Or som šťastná. Som šťastná. Phrase number 50 is I love you. In Slovak, ľúbim ťa. Ľúbim ťa. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Now you know 50 very useful phrases in Slovak. If you want to support my work, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. I can't wait to see you next time. Bye!